Hi guys, welcome to my channel Payal's Recipe. Today I will be sharing a very delicious pasta recipe. I'm gonna make macaroni in white sauce with a lot of vegetables and it's very flavorful. So let's get started. For this recipe are some boiled macaroni, onions, one onion chopped, one red bell pepper chopped, 3 slices of green chilies, 1 tomato chopped, a little bit of mushroom chopped, a few olives, red chili flakes 1 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon of garlic, minced garlic, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, some oil and grated parmesan cheese. And since this is a white sauce pasta, I'm using a pre-made white sauce that I prepared ahead of time. And the recipe to make this white sauce is in my other video that I have also shared in the description below. So to make this pasta, I heat up the pan, add some oil. When the oil gets hot, I add the onions. The green chilies and I saute them for a minute. I can also add the mushroom because it may take a few minutes for it to cook. The bell peppers as well and the chopped garlic. Let it cook for a couple of minutes before I add the other things. So now goes in the tomatoes. We also add the olives, the salt, you also add the chili flakes, some garlic powder and mix it all well and let it cook for a couple of minutes. Now goes in the white sauce that I prepared. And I also add the pasta. And mix all this together and you can see it's so colorful. And our macaroni pasta is now ready and I'm going to plate it and show you. To serve this pasta, I garnish it with a little bit of olive oil, some chili flakes and some freshly grated parmesan cheese. Our spicy, colorful and flavorful pasta is now ready. I'm sure you and your family, including the kids, are going to enjoy this a lot. And do like, subscribe and comment on my channel Payal's Recipe if you enjoyed watching this. And for more recipes, tune in till next time. Thanks and bye-bye.